Hey, go on, let's play toss apple. What? Wow, you're boring. I'm leaving. Hey, pumpkin. Why so big? I'm pumpkin. What do you... It's challenge time! Oh, everyone come. Except Piccolo. She's on the break. What? Sorry about that. Ooh, zombie day. Don't worry, I can him. No. That's too much. Today's challenge is to stop corn from coughing. Go. Get it out. Ow. Pumpkin, you do it. You're fat. Okay. I will touch you if you don't cough. I will touch you if you don't stop coughing. And cactus wins immunity somehow. Again. Okay, guys. Vote who you want to eliminate. I want to eliminate Apple because he puts prickles on me. I accidentally coughed, sorry. Bud, who do you vote? I mean, Apple, who do you vote? I vote Corn because he voted me. I vote Apple because, she's spiky. I vote Apple because, I'm scared. Can you not be behind you? Just vote Apple. I vote Apple because Corn told me. Cactus, you're the temperature. I vote Apple because he got my friend Prickle. And Apple is out with all votes. No, don't do it with the saber. I'm not gonna do it with the energy saber. I'm gonna do it with a nuclear bomb. What? Get away from them. No! No! Oh, it's got